There are a few epilogues after you complete Genshin's Aranara questline. You can return to the giant robot and hand over a research paper worth 5 million mora to the research guy, play with the rain machine and find all the seedlings to plant in the nursery, or destroy your sanity by tracking down all 70 plus hidden Koroks for 100% completion. But my favorite is going back to Viramaville and kicking Alfonso's ass. He's the entire reason we're involved in this side quest in the first place, and he can absolutely get bent for it. Turns out he's actually called Trofin Snezhevich, a spy from Snezhnaya. The guy goes on a whole speech about how he wishes he could have just been Alfonso, that maybe if things were different, Trofin wouldn't have to be turned out of this place. There's this underlying feeling that he's not truly evil, just a product of circumstance. And you know what? I'm glad the Traveler calls him out on his BS. His speech doesn't erase what he's done. Trofin himself even admits to it. I belong in an organization. I want to be family to Rana and the kids, but I've already got a family I can't turn my back on. Even though we promised the Aranara we'd deal with him, the game gives you a choice to let him walk away. And it felt a bit too easy to do that. So I ended the story on my own terms. He still gets the final word in though. I'm the evil amidst the good, the poison amidst the herbs, the wolf in sheep's clothing, the mercury in the golden chalice. My name is Snezhevich. Do your worst. This is what Genshin dialogue would be like if Paimon wasn't around, and it is great.